Всем привет! Today I'm gonna teach you some reading rule that you probably don't know. Everyone knows that unstressed O is pronounced like R, but I want to teach you another rule that is very important if you want to sound like natives. So, before we start, I want to teach you some theory. There are voiced and voiceless consonants. There are 6 pairs of voiced and voiceless consonants. Voiced consonants are the consonants that we pronounce by means of our voice. When we pronounce the voiced consonants, our vocal cords over here vibrate. And voiceless consonants are the consonants that we pronounce without our voice. Let's first pronounce the voiced consonants. Listen to me and repeat. And I ask you to put your fingers on your vocal cords and feel the vibration. Okay? So listen and repeat. B. V. Can you feel the vibration? I can. G. D. J. Z. Well done. Now let's pronounce the voiceless consonants. So it means that when you pronounce them, the vocal cords do not move, so you won't feel any vibration over here, okay? So listen. P. F. K. T. Sh. S. Well done. So, voiced and voiceless consonants go in pairs. We have 6 pairs of voiced and voiceless consonants. Let's repeat them one by one. Listen and repeat. B, P, V, F, G, K, D, T, J, Sh, Z, S. Now let's practice. When you see a voiced consonant at the end of the noun, you should pronounce it like voiceless consonant. So as I've already told you, the voiced and voiceless consonants go in pairs. So if you see the voiced consonant at the end of the word, you should pronounce the voiceless consonant. Например, for example, the word gid. Okay, I'm just pronounce it like I see. Gid. You can see d at the end, okay? But d is a voiced consonant. It goes in pairs. D, t. So I should pronounce t. I should pronounce that voiceless consonant instead of voiced consonant, okay? So that's why I say git instead of gid, okay? No one says gid. Gid. No one says this way. Everyone says git. Okay? Another example. Garage. Garage. Can you hear? I say sh. I pronounce the voiceless consonant. I pronounce the voiceless sh instead of voiced j. Okay? Garage. Good? Next word. Zakaz. Zakaz. Can you hear? I say zakaz. I pronounce the unstressed. I pronounce the voiceless consonant s instead of z. Okay? Zakaz. Great. Now let's try to read this word. Block. G, k. G is voiced. K is voiceless. So I say block. Well done. Can you read this one? Sat. Sat. So we have a pair of voiced and voiceless consonants. D, t. So I should say t, right? Instead of voiced consonant. That's why I say sat. Sat. Good. But pay attention that this rule works only if the voiced consonant is at the end of the word. Okay? Let's take this word sad and make plural. It becomes sadi. Can you hear? Now I pronounce in plural. I pronounce d very clear because now d is not the final one. Okay? Here d is the final letter. That's why I pronounce t instead. Sat. But here d is not final one. Okay? That's why I pronounce d. Sadi. Sat. Sadi. Okay, now listen and repeat. Гид, гиды. Okay, муж, мужья. Гараж, гаражи. Глаз, глаза. Well done, excellent. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.